You only have one life. You only come around here once. Why wait? Why not start now? It doesn't matter what your situation is. It doesn't matter how bad it is. It doesn't matter what resources you lack. It doesn't matter. One day, you'll be dead. Why not go for it? Why not just get it done right now? Because I can guarantee if you don't start now, it's quite likely that you'll never start. And most people never get their dreams off the ground, simply because they're too afraid. But they're not realizing that every day that they don't do it is another day closer to the grave. Do you want to go to the grave not having fulfilled your potential, not having lived the life that you wanted to live? If the answer to that is no, then you need to get hustling right now. Not tomorrow, not the day after, right now. Go after that goal that you want. Set up that project. Get going on those things. You want to be the best version of yourself that you possibly can be. Most people will never be like that. You don't want to fall into that trap that most people fall into. They get comfortable, they get relaxed, they settle for a life that they don't really want, but it's comfortable, it's easy. You don't want that. You want a life that is above average, extraordinary, far beyond what most people can conceive. If you want a life like that, you have to hustle. You have to get going. Get up out of your seat and move. You have to take massive action. It's hard, it sucks, it can sap you of your mental and physical energy, but you need to get going and get up after those things that you want. No one's going to do it for you. Work on yourself every day. Get better, improve, learn, extend yourself, push yourself out of your comfort zone. Push the boundaries that you're accustomed to. That's the only way to grow as a person. If you look at all the successful people in the world, one common thread between all of them is that they've all hustled. They've all gotten to work, gotten busy. The gap between here and your ultimate life is action. That's the link. You have to hustle. You have to get out there and do what's required. What excuse do you have? What reason do you have not to? Turn this video off, get out there, and get to work.
Procrastination is a killer. It kills plans, and it kills projects, and it kills dreams. It kills ideas, and it kills progress in life. As soon as you feel that hesitation, that lag, that fear and indecision, get hyper-aggressive. Go. Do not wait. Do not take the easy way out. Do not give up based on instinct. Fight on. Make today count. Step forward. You have to initiate action. Do not pause in that moment. Fight the procrastination and get done the things you need to get done now.
Hard work is the universe's great equalizer. Hard work is the thing that has leveled the playing field and given the average Joe, the fucking underdog, a shot at the crown. If you work hard and you never give up, you can literally achieve anything. See, the problem is most people, what they're doing is they're all at this mountain called success, and they're all strolling around the fucking bottom of this mountain, and they're looking for an elevator to carry them to the top. See, they haven't realised yet that there is no fucking elevator. Stop looking for an easy way to the top. Stop looking for the shortcut, because let me tell you, there ain't one. No matter who you are, you have where you are right now and where you want to fucking be. And there's only one road or one path that takes you there, and that's hard fucking work, baby. You have everything you need to have everything you want, but you must get to work.
We all have things that beat us down and make us want to quit. And it's what you do when you get to that edge that determines what you're going to be. People do one of two things. They either A, shut down completely, or B, when you get to the edge and you get to the brink and you get to the time where you've had enough, you start to take productive action in the direction that you know you need to go. We all have a choice. And what defines who we're going to be and whether we're going to be people who regret their whole entire life, or we're going to be champions and people who set standards and become role models, comes down to what we do when we're on the brink. It's A, go be a bitch, or B, do the fucking work.